I'm very lonely. I can't escape your eyes. That's right. It's not that I don't. Xiaobao, you really haven't had any yet. Oh, I'm dying of thirst. I'm so irritable today. Would a smaller one be okay? I'll try it if I see it fast. Judging by popularity. You're so smart. Haha, thank you. Thanks. I'm using your grids. No need to thank me. Just scan the code. 6 yuan. You're welcome. Just scan the code. Help me take the box out of the truck. Take it to the 5th floor. The 5th floor isn't appropriate, is it? We're just express drivers. You know? What's inappropriate? We didn't mention it. You take it up for me. We don't offer this service. We can only get the certificate done. It's diligent of us to help you move it down. You know? Our service doesn't include helping passengers with their luggage. Not to mention taking it upstairs for you. Take it upstairs for me. Don't talk so much nonsense. Taking it upstairs is impossible. I'll take it down for you now. You figure it out yourself. There are really too many services. Get out of the car. I already told you. You want me to carry you to the 5th floor? It's impossible to carry you to the 5th floor. Are you going to pay me for carrying it? There's no carrying fee. Why should I pay to carry your stuff up? The fare doesn't include carrying fees. The fare is just for me to safely take you from the starting point to the destination. It doesn't include the parking space. You can get out of the car now. Help me carry it up. You think you can ride it there? That's impossible. Get out of the car quickly. Don't waste my time. I don't have much. Do you think I should complain about you? No, not. Do you think I should complain? If you want to play, you'll find someone else, right? Pay the money. The yellow one, 65, doesn't cost much more. 1 yuan. Speak up, haha. We support WeChat Pay, right? Then you give it, haha. The big gold digger still wants this money? You said my B6 isn't enough for a regular backpack. What do you do if you don't have money? Block you? What? Want more money? How much is the number? 5 yuan, 5 yuan. You have to pay. Go. How much is it? 5 yuan per person. In total, how much? 15 in total. 10 yuan in total. 5 yuan. 5 yuan is 5 yuan. It's 5 yuan. Here's the money. Is that right?